Welcome to English Quizler. Ready to test your real English level? In today's mixed grammar quiz, every question gets harder. Keep track of your score, and let's see how far you can go. Don't forget to subscribe to us. Good luck.
Choose the correct adjective. The board made a concise announcement. Replace the mistake. If I were you, I would apologize. Choose the correct future perfect tense. By Friday she will have submitted the draft. What's the right past participle? The past participle of tear is torn. Choose the future perfect continuous. By noon she will have been working for 3 hours. Laconic most nearly means? Laconic most nearly means succinct. Opposite of antiquated is? The opposite of antiquated is modern. Choose the correct preposition. They were puzzled by the sudden change. Choose the right phrasal verb. The shipment came in yesterday. To throw in the towel means? To throw in the towel means to give up. Choose the right article. I saw a unicorn in the tail. What's the correct agreement? One of the students is missing. Choose the correct one. He denied sending the message. What's the right modal nuance? You should have left earlier. Choose the right passive perfect. By next month the project will have been completed. Choose the correct causative. She had her house painted. What's the right collocation? A large body of evidence. What's the right relative pronoun? The artist whose work impressed me is local. Choose the correct conditional. If he had known, he would have acted differently. Choose the correct reported question. He asked where I had been. Obdurate most nearly means? Obdurate most nearly means stubborn. Choose the correct connector. We cancelled due to the forecast. What's the correct subjunctive? I recommend that she arrive earlier. What's the correct inversion? Never have I felt so inspired. Choose the right answer. How much sugar do you need? Choose the right quantifier. There is very little chance of success. Choose the right comparative. This fabric is more breathable than cotton. Choose the right superlative. She gave the most persuasive talk at the seminar. What's the right tag question? Let's start, shall we? Choose the right word form. He answered very politely. Choose the right phrasal verb. We must back up the files before leaving. Opposite of benign is? The opposite of benign is malignant. Candid most nearly means? Candid most nearly means frank. Choose the past participle. The past participle of speak is spoken. What's the future continuous? At 6 I will be chairing the meeting. Choose the right modal. You should have told me sooner. Change the sentence to passive. He is considered an expert. Choose the correct collocation. Make a considered decision. To bite the bullet means? To bite the bullet means to endure pain bravely. Which sentence is correct? Neither the teacher nor the students are aware.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.